You're not good enough. You will fail. Others are better than you. Have you ever wondered why sometimes you feel stuck in negative thoughts, even though you try very hard to move forward? These thoughts not only reduce confidence, but also hinder us from achieving our goals in life. Controlling and transforming negative thoughts is an important key that helps each person open the door to success. When mastering the mind, we can easily overcome challenges and maximize our potential. Negative thinking is a natural part of human cognition, often occurring when we face pressure, failure, or unexpected changes in life. These thoughts can weigh heavily on the mind, easily leading to feelings of anxiety, low self-esteem, or loss of motivation. When dominated by negativity, a person's actions can also be affected, potentially becoming hesitant or avoiding new opportunities. If not recognized and controlled, negative thinking can create a loop, reducing the quality of life and hindering personal development. Negative thoughts often stem from various causes. Social pressure can make individuals feel anxious about not meeting the expectations around them. Personal failures can also easily reduce self-confidence, leading to self-doubt. Additionally, negative experiences in the past can leave a deep impression, making people prone to pessimism when facing new challenges. Negative thoughts can appear in many different forms in daily life, such as self-doubt, excessive worry about the future, or easily becoming disappointed when facing difficulties. These thoughts often make us feel stressed, lose confidence, and become easily irritable. When negative emotions dominate, our behavior is also affected, leading to avoidance of challenges or decreased motivation to work. As a result, work performance declines and surrounding relationships can also be negatively impacted. Many people have fallen into the spiral of negative thinking and faced serious consequences. For example, some people constantly blame themselves for past mistakes, leading to a loss of confidence and social withdrawal. Others are always worried about the future, causing prolonged insomnia and reduced work performance. In some cases, mental health issues such as depression or anxiety disorders even develop. These examples show that negative thinking can profoundly affect both the psychology and quality of life of each person. Negative thoughts often arise when people face pressure, failure, or unwanted experiences. These thoughts tend to repeat, forming habits and deeply affecting how we perceive ourselves and the world around us. When dominated by negative thinking, people easily underestimate their abilities, doubt their choices, and feel anxious or insecure. This leads to a lack of confidence in decision-making and even missing out on positive opportunities in life. When negative thoughts take control, you may often feel anxious, pessimistic, or lose confidence in yourself. Repeated negative thoughts make it difficult for you to concentrate on work and easily cause stress. Additionally, you may frequently blame yourself, exaggerate small mistakes, and feel that everything is hard to overcome. If you notice these signs persisting, it may be a sign that you are being dominated by negative thinking. If negative thoughts are not controlled, they can gradually have a serious impact on mental health, leading to anxiety, depression, or loss of confidence. Prolonged negative emotions also reduce the ability to concentrate, be creative, and make effective decisions. This limits opportunities for success in study, work, and social relationships. In the long run, the quality of life can significantly decline, making it difficult for people to achieve their goals and feel satisfied with themselves. When people get caught up in the whirlpool of negative thoughts, feelings of helplessness gradually take over the mind. All directions seem to become blurred, making us no longer know where we should go. The spirit deteriorates day by day, leading to a loss of faith in oneself and in life. Negativity is like a thick fog, obscuring all hope and making us feel lost within our own world. This is the moment when all hope seems to completely vanish. Despite trying their best, every effort fails to bring the expected results, causing a growing sense of helplessness. Self-confidence is severely tested, and inner doubts continuously arise. Each passing day becomes heavy, as if there is no way out ahead. The feeling of loneliness is like an invisible wall, separating a person from the surrounding world. Disappointment gradually invades the mind, making all hopes seem distant and faint. Negative thoughts keep repeating, forming a spiral that seems impossible to escape. In that moment, all efforts become powerless against the weight of sadness and anxiety. When realizing that the turmoil in their mind was increasingly affecting their life, the character began to become more aware of the problem they were facing. The chaos of thoughts made them feel tired and lost. From there, they decided to proactively seek methods to clear their mind, hoping to regain peace and inner balance. This journey to find a solution marked an important turning point in their life. There are many practical methods to control negative thoughts that you can apply daily. Meditation helps the mind become calm, reduces stress, and allows clearer recognition of negative thoughts. Keeping a journal is an effective way to release emotions, reassess problems, and find more positive solutions. Additionally, changing your living environment, such as tidying up your space or adding greenery, also helps improve mood and create a fresh feeling. Combining these methods will help you build a habit of positive thinking and better emotional balance. To build a habit of positive thinking, first, focus on the good things in daily life, no matter how small. Recognizing and being grateful for positive things helps the mind become more optimistic. Additionally, maintain the habit of reminding yourself of your goals and personal values, thereby creating motivation to overcome difficulties. Practicing meditation or deep breathing exercises also helps maintain a stable and healthy mental state. When applying methods to cleanse the mind, people gradually feel positive changes in their thoughts and emotions. Worries and stress are relieved, making way for peace and optimism. As a result, self-confidence is strengthened, creating strong motivation to overcome challenges. This process helps each person regain balance and move towards a more positive life. The journey to overcome negative thoughts is not easy, but when we persist in controlling our minds, we gain peace and confidence in life. Recognizing and changing negative thoughts helps each person broaden their perspective and live more positively. When the mind is well controlled, we can easily face challenges and enjoy the positive values that life brings. The greatest achievement is maturity and the ability to master one's own emotions. Positive thinking is the key that opens the door to success for each person. When we know how to clear the mind, eliminate negative thoughts and unnecessary worries, the soul becomes lighter and clearer. As a result, every challenge in life can be viewed with an optimistic and proactive attitude. The power of positive thinking not only helps us overcome difficulties, but also creates a strong motivation to move forward.